Hello and welcome back to the standard What's in Your Box training series. Today in episode 9, we're going to talk about the increased popularity of complete kits and multi-packs. Now more and more technicians are looking for complete repair solutions, so let's talk about why and for which categories these make the most sense. There are a few different reasons that technicians are looking for more complete kits and multi-packs. For one, it helps them perform a complete repair without having to chase parts from multiple places. Now, savvy service writers also find it easier to explain one line item on invoices rather than 5 or 6 parts that the customer may question or not understand. Whatever the reasons, kits and multi-packs can be a great solution for today's professional technicians. Standard and Blue Streak offer kits and multi-packs in a variety of categories. But recently, our most popular ones have been the oil filter housing kits, the GDI high-pressure fuel pump kits, and the ignition coil multi-packs. Now, it's no secret that the oil filter housings of the Pentastar V6s have very high failure rates. And this is why we developed a complete drop-in solution that addresses the weak points of the OE design. Our housing is made from high-strength Zytel, features improved seals to prevent leaks, and arrives completely assembled with a new filter and sensors installed already. Low pressure on GDI systems can be confirmed by a P0087 code, but how do you know if the root cause is a failed high pressure pump or maybe a cam follower? Well, you don't. The best way to solve the problem is to install both at the same time. Blue Streak GDI high pressure fuel pump kits include an all-new high pressure fuel pump and the cam follower along with the seals and mounting hardware required for the complete repair. Ignition coils can lose spark energy over time, causing poor fuel mileage and reduced performance. And if one coil has already failed, it's pretty likely that the others are not operating as well as they did when they were brand new. So installing one new coil alongside older, worn coils may help turn off the check engine light, but it probably won't help restore the engine performance or optimize the fuel economy. This is why we have seen more and more shops select Blue Streak ignition coil multi-packs for their customers, replacing all the coils at once, saving time, restoring performance, and reducing comebacks. Some of our other popular kits include standard turbocharger kits, Blue Streak blower motor resistor kits, and cam and crank sensor kits, along with variable valve timing service kits and solenoid kits. Research and development, in-house manufacturing, testing and validation, and everything you need for a complete repair. That's what's in our box. What's in yours?